Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to be in this sort of corrective phase here in this overall range that started already end of June, middle of June, end of June. So it's very long, very boring. Obviously with yesterday's decline, we hit here the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. Typically one of the retracement levels that is relevant for a wave 4. With that, price has reacted again to our trend reversal and support area for this possible fourth wave. In this video, I only want to focus on the short term because I discussed the longer time frame count in the last video. So it's literally just a quick middle of the day update. What I need to highlight here is that, we could be done with this correction. I just don't have any clear sign that a low is in. At this stage, the move up still looks corrective. We're going to zoom in a minute. So at the moment, one more low is still possible and actually likely. Next support would be 29,080, but there's a good chance we find support here in the box. And bear in mind, yesterday we already reacted to the box. So if it turns around here, happy days. Yeah, it's about range trading at the moment. So I'm still primarily watching for one more high here in the fifth wave. I know it is getting draining, but I'm still watching for that. Especially as long as the 50% retracement level isn't broken to the downside. So as long as we don't break below 28,550, I assume this is a wave 4. If we break below that level, I assume we are in a wave 2. Okay, and then relevant support is down to 26,190. But in this video, I want to focus on this fourth wave, which is still a possibility. At the moment, I have an ABC correction. This ABC correction, I know it's not the most beautiful one here, but I think we have enough waves to the downside to call it complete. Maybe one more low. Due to the overshooting B wave that we had here on Thursday, yesterday, it is possible it's complete. Okay, why is it the case? So usually you want a C wave to go below the A wave. But in a so-called running flat, if the B wave overshoots the previous highs, then it can be a running flat. In a running flat, the C wave ends above the A wave. In most cases, though, it would go below. Okay, there would be a so-called expanded flat, but running flats are bullish. If a running flat occurs, it means that the correction ends, the last leg of the correction ends higher than it would normally do. So it is bullish. It's a proper pattern. The reason why I'm watching for this is if I measure the length down here. So if I look at Fibonacci extensions, if I take the length here of the move down and compare that with the length of the C wave, we've basically reached the 100% extension, the 1-to-1 ratio. That's a perfect target for such a C wave. So, we're nearly there anyway. Maybe one more low, maybe that's it already. But at the moment, I just have no clear sign it is bottomed. Now, I have therefore added resistance here to the chart. I've added the 50% retracement level on the way down here that started off yesterday's top to yesterday's low, or today's low, the overnight low. I've added the retracement levels, and the 50% Fib level is relevant. It's sort of just a rough guide. If price breaks above the 50% Fib level, it usually indicates that the low is already in. At least it is sort of a first indication where probabilities are shifting. So that level is at 30,628. So if price breaks above 30,630 and it's not just a wick, but it's a sustained break, then I think a low has been made in wave 4 and we attempt another rally in wave 5. Can I promise you the wave 5 this time happens? Can't promise it. It failed a lot of times already, but it's certainly another attempt to break the range to the upside. Target wise, then we're looking still for roughly 32K. Alright, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.